It really is the best mac and cheese in the world. I bet you this easy vegan recipe with simple ingredients will be way better and much faster than the box mac you're used to making. Don't believe me? Stick around and find out.
So imagine this.
Hmm?
You come home after a
Hmm.
long day of work, you're hungry, but
Hmm.
what can fill you up and
Hmm.
fast? About to succumb to
Hmm.
ordering takeout, but then you see high protein pasta and three other ingredients for a mac and cheese sauce in your cupboard. There's no time to waste, so you get to boiling. Welcome back to That's Dan Delicious. When it comes to vegan recipes for beginners, finding shelf stable foods that fit your pantry and cooking style is an incredible place to start. For my house, three of the mains are protein pasta, tahini sauce, and nutritional yeast flakes. Various brands offer plant based, high protein pasta noodles in a variety of beans, lentils, legumes, and even wheat blends. So, if you're on a gluten free diet, double check those labels to find what works for you. This is an easy mac and cheese recipe to throw together knowing a decent portion of your protein is already covered. Speaking of gluten free pasta, I prefer the red lentil pasta or chickpea over the other options because the texture and leftover pasta water is appetizing for using in the sauce. Some just are a little funky. Drain and rinse the protein pasta, then return to the pan. In most cases, tahini sauce is my choice of fat for cream, mayo, sour cream, milk, and even butter and baking. More to come on that. In goes a quarter cup tahini and 1 cup of the saved pasta water or room temp water if you accidentally dumped it. Apple cider vinegar brings the tang, and the right amount of salt sets the stage for the Nucci cheesiness. Nutritional yeast flakes, or nooch, is a longtime vegan staple, a healthy way to bring out the missing cheesy taste and stock you up on B12 if your favorite brand is fortified. We're not skimping on this vegan cheese, so a half cup goes in the pot and stir for a minute or two or until combined. The mac and cheese vegan sauce will thicken as it cools. No blender, no problem. You won't be bothered with the nut soaking method with this easy vegan cheese sauce recipe. It's done in a flash, and there is no way takeout or a drive through could feed your hangry beast any quicker. Maybe it's the Scotty in me, but I'm a bit picky about plant based cheeses. There's something usually off, but not with this one. Vegan Wisconsin Cheesehead approved.
Mmm, that is Dan delicious. Now, if you want three other flavors to add to the world's best mac and cheese, I highly recommend making broccoli cheese, chili mac, or my new Mexico favorite, baked hatch green chili mac and cheese. But the possibilities are endless. Having a shitty day? If a comfort food meal is what will turn it around, look to this vegan, gluten free mac and cheese recipe for the quick and easy comfort dish without the guilt or the stomach aches. It's a fast, easy, vegan recipe for beginners that just about everybody should try. Thanks again for joining us on That's Dan Delicious. I can't wait to hear what you thought about the best mac and cheese in the world. Did you eat it plain like a traditional blue box or top it with your own flair? Up next week is an apple cider donut cake. It's a wacky cake, and the secret ingredient is, maybe you guessed it, tahini sauce. Until then, live healthy and build natty.